As you can see, right at the moment we're not making any wind power, so it's a good time to take this opportunity to do a little bit of maintenance on the turbine. Just to kind of give you a little tour how I have this set up here. These are 6x6 timbers that I made the wooden part of the structure out of, as well as a couple of 2x4s for support for the long timber that goes up to the top. The galvanized pole is, I think that's schedule 40, and it's hinged at the bottom with a piece of reclaimed hardware that I bought at Restore. On the opposite side of the timber from the turbine mount, there's this crank with a cable that goes up over the top, and there's a small pulley at the top of the pole you can't see, taking the cable over the top of the timber, and then it is attached to the turbine pole itself, and this is what allows me to lower it down for maintenance relatively quickly. So let's go through that process right now. First thing I have to do is just loosen the bolts on the bottom there at the pivot point so that it can move. And there's one bracket higher up that serves as sort of a safety. So this whole arrangement makes it very easy to bring the turbine down for seasonal routine maintenance. I'm just, you can see I'm just taking up the slack now after the turbine's all the way down. So now with the turbine all the way down, I can take care of whatever maintenance I might need to do on it. It doesn't usually need much. I'm just going to go ahead and grease up the pivot points. There's a little bearing at the bottom and at the top there. And I might give it a little paint on the tail as well there. And that's it. Literally took longer to make this video than to service the turbine today.